Hello everyone. Let's discuss three key accounting terms every class 11 student must know. Part 1 of this series. Okay. Number 1 is business. What is business? Business is an economic activity involving the production, purchase, or sale of goods or services generally undertaken to earn profit. For example, Rahul runs a mobile phone shop where he regularly buys and sells mobile phones to earn profit. This is a business. Number 2, transaction. What is transaction? An economic event that affects the financial position of a business and can be measured in monetary terms. For example, Rahul purchases mobile phones worth rupees 50,000 for a shop. This purchase is a business transaction because it can be measured in money and affects the business. Okay. Number 3, capital. What is capital? The amount of money or other assets introduced by the owner into the business. For example, Rahul starts his mobile phone business by investing rupees 2 lakh from his personal savings. This rupees 2 lakh is called capital. Let's do a quick recap. Business, an economic activity. Number 2, transaction, a measurable financial event. Number 3, capital, owner's investment in the business. Follow CB Pro Academy for more important accounting terms with easy examples. Thank you.